We are unboxing Amazon Basic Air Fryer 3.5 liter. Packaging is solid. We just need to check. Let me just cut this one. After we open the box, we get this basic manual. Then we will just open it. So inside the box we have this. Need to pull it out, I guess. So we have opened this. That's how it looks. You have 8 preset setting. So it goes power up to 200, and you can set it for 60 minutes higher. This is the power button, this is the temperature button. And this is the, to press it, then it will come out. I just need to pull out the sticker. Stickers are there. After that, pressing it comes out. So this is the tray. This is the frying pan. That's how it looks. This is what you get inside the box. Non-stick tray, the non-stick fry pan. So this only comes out if you press this one. So this is for that. So if you press this button, it will be fixed. Okay, and just directly go inside. Thank you for watching, guys. So it is working fine. Good product from Amazon. This is couple of fries, I've made. Fried potato, fish, potato again for the fish curry, pointed gourd, fried. So all through this. To make all this fry takes around, this done took 20 minutes, 15, 20. So yeah, it's quick and easy. It's a worth trying.